In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the seeds out of a pomegranate. First of all, you roll it on the surface to loosen some of the seeds. Then I would cut along the circumference. Got a beautiful deep red colour there. And then I'm going to turn it over into my hand, get a wooden spoon and bash the pomegranate on the back of the wooden spoon. That way the seeds will all come out into your hand, and if any bits of pith, the white pith, come out, you can just remove them. So there we have the seeds taken out of the pomegranate without too much mess. Please make sure you subscribe and leave your comments below. And why not check out my other skilled videos, like how to cook light fluffy quinoa or how to make sauerkraut, really healthy and tasty and good for your gut. Thanks for watching, we'll see you soon.